Containerization in data engineering, absolutely, Ahmed. Absolutely. Like containerization, you're like containers are everywhere. It's like this nowadays. If you deploy tools, um, you're using Dockers, you're using containers. If data scientists deploy their algorithms, they're deploying it as a container, and that's everywhere. People are deploying complete big data clusters as Docker containers. So it's really important and really good. The only thing where I'm always like with containerization, um, where I'm like this, I'm not sure. For a beginner, Kubernetes is like everywhere. Everybody's talking about Kubernetes and Kubernetes clusters. But do you really need it as a learner, as a beginner? I don't think so. Like, I think work on Docker, try to figure out how containers work, um, Docker Compose, and so on. So these are the things I would look into, and I think are very important.